In this video tutorial, you will understand how to navigate around the ribbon in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word to a new blank document. And notice the tabs that are across the top of the ribbon. We have the File tab. If we click on that tab, this serves as the backdrop of Microsoft Word, where we can perhaps open up a new blank document or some other template that is found in Word. We can open another file that was previously saved in Word. We can save or do a save as, and we will explain those more in detail in a future video tutorial. We can print, we can share, export, and of course close. And there are several other options. Click the arrow in the upper left hand corner, which moves us back to the Home tab. On the Home tab, notice you have several different group names. We have Clipboard, we have Font, Paragraph, Styles, and Editing. And we will be walking through these different commands, most of them, as we progress further into Microsoft Word. Also, we have the Insert tab. The Insert tab allows us to insert various pages, tables, illustrations, media links, comments, and of course much more. And notice the different elements that are found here. We have pages, tables, illustrations. There are add-ons, that's media, links, comments, header and footer, text, and symbols. If we click on the Design tab, you have themes and you have page backgrounds that we can apply to our documents. Under the Layout tab, the Layout tab contains page setup, paragraph, and arranging commands. Click on the References tab. It includes table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index, and table of authorities. Under our Mailings tab, we can create envelopes and labels. We can start mail merge. We can write and insert fields, preview results, and then finish a mail merge project. Click on the Review tab. We have proofing, insights, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protecting a document. And if you click on the View tab, we have views, show, zoom, window, and macros. The Developer tab is normally not visible on your ribbon, which will probably not be visible on your ribbon right now. But there are some other options that we can perform as it relates to the ribbon. If you move your cursor out here in this blank space and right click, we can notice there the two options here. We can customize the ribbon. If we click on Customize, it will open up Word options, which you remember the options can also be found under the File tab. If you clicked on Options, we would get this same window. And notice over here on the right hand side where we can customize the ribbon, and there are other options in this drop down menu here. And notice all of the boxes that are checked here. These are all of the tabs that are visible. And notice the Developer tab for your Microsoft Word product should not be checked. You can check it, but it's just optional. And you can add new items to your ribbon based on your preference. And when you add them, then you would click OK. But in this case, we will just simply click Cancel. We can also, there's another option here, we can click on the Ribbon Display option. And I need to mention, if you move your cursor over a lot of these commands, it will not only give you the name of the command, but it will tell you what that command does. So if we click on the ribbon display options, notice we can auto hide the ribbon. So if we clicked on auto hide, we can do that. We can come back up here and we can double click and it brings the ribbon back out. We click on that option again, we can click on show tabs and it will only show the tabs as opposed to the entire ribbon. And if we click on ribbon display again, we can show tabs and commands. We can also collapse the ribbon by clicking on this up arrow, and we can again just turn around and click the auto display and then click show tabs and commands. And so that's how you navigate around this ribbon, which over the years has somewhat confused people as it relates to understanding how to function and navigate in Microsoft Word. There are other tabs that are not visible. And so notice the other tabs that are not visible. For example, I have two items here. I have a picture and then I have a shape. And if I click on this picture, notice up here, the Picture Tools Format tab becomes available, only because I selected the picture. Also, if I click on this shape over here, notice on our ribbon, the Drawing Tools Format tab is now visible.